morning, good morning. First time ever, every single one of us is in a vlog.
Oh, we're on live?
Yes, yeah, so it's not live, Liam, it's a vlog.
Yeah, it's not
You're on Facebook Live right now.
Guys.
We're on the Facebook.
And we go in Avocat. You all in?
Yeah.
Alright. Uncle?
Well, I don't know you come already.
Yeah, you don't know me.
Yeah.
I'm just making sure people see that I pay.
Alright.
All good. You're good? You had a good Christmas?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
You don't say for that to come last time I put money on YouTube. You know,
I'm one of them.
You know them?
But I don't know, they probably have a couple of us.
Oh, they want name, you know.
What's your name? I'm Trini Surfer.
Right, I think so.
Well, that's me then. I talked to you.
I think you're driving, come with your
Yeah. It's me again.
People come around, uncle. Use man.
Use the man self.
Yeah, I will see on YouTube.
So it's only us up in here today, so far?
Yeah, but you know, it's look now.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Well, nice weather.
Holiday. Yeah, boy, for that. I seen whole day, convenient.
Yes.
And you know, now is well, I don't feel like a holiday or something.
I can leave my key here, yeah?
What do you mean, eh?
Yeah. Hi guys, so heading up to the Avocat. I've done this video before with all the directions and things, so just a quick introduction. We have Liam, a master woodsman, a trail cutter, an environmental specialist. What else are you?
I ain't gonna say anything embarrassing.
A lover of the ladies. We have Mr. Chaz, fresh out of Ecuador. Chaz is a boat captain. What else are you, Chaz?
Just an all-round normal person.
I like that, an all-round nose.
Yeah.
That's the best thing it could be.
Yeah, just hiking, real nice weather, you know.
It is best weather. And then we have the usual Jono with his staff. He's the stick man.
I'll be Gandalf today.
He's the Gandalf. He's the liar. The hater. The wannabe. Everything.
You sound like a hater right now.
Damn right I am.
One sunny day, like for the whole week, and it was crazy. It was pushing like nothing I've ever seen before.
The water is definitely a little bit higher than it used to be due to all the recent floods and stuff, so the river shape has changed. But we continue moving. That's probably a good idea. So yeah, next time you'll come Avocat, definitely be a little cautious as the river is now more full, so there's less track on the side to walk on, but still very passable and doable, and the water is amazing with all the sunshine.
Look at these trees.
What
How much
tree?
trees fell?
Yeah boy, good. You'll see just now coming up there, some big trees in the river. You wanna walk along the tree? Yes, do that please.
It's a big tree, eh?
Yeah boy, massive tree. So when you arrive at this part here, you see these boys, they came up the tree, but you kind of want to come back across to the rocks and continue along the side and then come down into that pool there, because it's a little rough over there, and Jono just went on the other side as well where it's a little bit deeper. Jono, of course, it's a big flat stone. Well,
Three, two, one.
so they end up on the rocks. So the boys are going up over the hill and I'm just sticking to the river, as you can see. So we're here at the closest point to Avocad, where you have to make a decision whether you're swimming or going up on the drier path, which you still have to get a little wet, but for bags and stuff, let me show you. So you could swim around and go up there, or you could climb this little part here and go over. Well done, well done, well done, order. You! Beautiful Avocat Waterfall, and it's real beautiful today.
So as you can see, you have to use the vines. There is a drop, a good drop. And we're continuing this way. Be careful when you're coming up here. It's not a joke. we're gonna walk back to the path. There's this sketchy little cliff. You have to be very careful. Hold on to the roots. And Jono try to make our way.
They need some help.
Nice sketchy one-handed.
Liam, is this jacuzzi that you've just found? Will you give it a name, please?
Call it the Jacuzzi.
The what?
The Jacuzzi.
The Jacuzzi. Jacuzzi. I'm gonna check out John. I'm gonna take a sit.
Come in to join me in the cold tub.
Liam said it's named the Jacuzzi or something.
Jacuzzi.
Really terrible joke like that.
Yeah, he's been making a lot of dad jokes, eh?
Yes.
I feel you have a child on the way or something.
Yeah, Liam. We think Liam might be having a baby because he's only making dad jokes. But then again, he's been doing that for about 14 years now, so there's no indication as to what's real. Tiger line is fun. Real 6 shots. Well guys, it's time for me to say my goodbyes. I hope you've absolutely enjoyed this amazing trip to Avocat Waterfall. Honestly, this might be one of the nicest I've ever seen it. Have a fantastic week. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for all the love and support you show me. Big up and blessings from all of us here at Trini Surfer. From Stephanie at home chilling right now. Get out and explore. Keep your country clean. Blessings everybody. Respect.
So like after it falls off, it kind of like gets purified or something. I think it like gets up there. That's why it was so pretty like this one.